it's just dust blowing. I don't know if it's going in the... That is a freaky... Screw my other lens. Look at that. It's like a straight up wall. Like a fucking... What do they call those? Haboobs? In Arizona, where it's a wall of dust?
I have no clue.
It's a haboob, yeah. Oh God, here it comes. Oh God, here it comes. There's a farmer out there in his tractor.
Oh my God. Iowans work through.
Holy dust storm. Here we go. I gotta have two hands on the wheel. This is gonna get bad. I gotta go that way as soon as possible too. Holy shit. We can drive out of this because of the angle it's moving. We just gotta go right and then go right again. We can drive out of this. Oh. Is there a car coming?
I'm seeing it.
This is C16. It's the road that goes to my dad's land. Alright, let's try to drive out of this. If possible, I doubt it. Take a video.
Yep.
Shit. Aim it behind us once. Front of it, we're out of it. Oh no, and that's coming towards us. Oh shit. Oh, I feel that wind hit it. Oh my goodness. We haven't seen that in a while. I think the last time that happened was at night. Remember when we were on that gravel? And that wall of dust was coming at us? And we realized, like, get in the car now.
Yeah, but it was night, we didn't see it.
Yeah, this one there's good to see. Here we go. We're gonna go through some more debris now. Right here. Another updraft. Nader. God, this could easily make a tornado. We're just getting hit with the wind. We're not even getting hit with the storm yet.
Jeez.
Yeah, this is just the wind. People are driving stupid.
Dusty out.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna have to call the car wash. Yeah, this isn't even the storm. This is just the wind in front of it.
starting to lighten up, or then I can see the clouds and stuff now.
Yeah, and then there's gonna be another wave behind it. That's the storm itself. From what I saw, the thing that they posted like earlier today on the National Weather Service is we were supposed to get hit with something around 6, and then another wave is supposed to hit an hour later, and that second wave is supposed to be even better. That's what they showed on their graphic. You know, I never even close up 100%. So I was just like, oh man.
You sure this didn't hit Lamar's?
Sure, what's gonna hit Lamar's?
I said, you sure this didn't hit Lamar's?
It hit everywhere. It was just hitting up there. That's a strong storm.
Like 50.
It's still hitting Lamar. See, the up north got hit first. Now this has got hit later because of the angle of the storm. You know what I mean? The way it's moving. That's why I wanted to head out like that. I wanted to get up there. Did you like that? How when I pulled the driveway, I was like, "See those clouds? We gotta go." Like, see that? We gotta go. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna eat, shower. I'm gonna try to share a couple photos, our photo real quick. And get Veda eventually and wait for the next one.